Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of challenger banks, those sleek, app-based financial institutions shaking things up. We've all seen the ads, neon lights, promises of fee-free banking, and a user experience that feels more like your favorite social media app than your dusty old bank branch. But with so many challenger banks popping up, it's easy to get confused. You might be wondering, is Neon a bank or just some fancy app? And more importantly, who is the actual bank behind Neon? Let's unpack this mystery together. The rise of challenger banks. First, a quick history lesson. Traditional banks have dominated the financial landscape for decades. They're reliable, secure, but let's be honest, sometimes feel a bit stuffy. Enter challenger banks. These tech-savvy newcomers are all about convenience, low fees, and a mobile-first approach. Imagine submitting expense reports with a swipe, managing your budget with colorful charts, and splitting dinner bills with friends instantly. It's all about making money management fun and accessible, especially for younger generations who are comfortable living their lives online. The power behind the app. Now, here's the thing about challenger banks. They typically don't hold banking licenses themselves. They partner with established institutions to offer their services. Think of it like this: Neon is the cool, user-friendly storefront, but it needs a solid bank in the back to handle the actual deposits, withdrawals, and other financial gymnastics. So, which bank is the brains behind Neon's beauty? The answer is, insert name of bank partnering with Neon. This reputable bank provides the secure infrastructure that keeps your money safe and ensures Neon operates within all the necessary regulations. It's a win-win. You get the convenience of Neon's app with the peace of mind of a trusted financial institution backing it up. Finding the right fit. Now, just because Neon has a solid partner bank doesn't mean it's the right challenger bank for you. There are plenty of other options out there, each with its own set of features, fees, and target audience. Here are some things to consider when choosing a challenger bank. Fees. Do they charge monthly maintenance fees? What about ATM withdrawal fees? Features. Does it offer budgeting tools, bill pay, international transactions? Security. How does the bank partner handle your data security? Customer service. How easy is it to reach them if you have questions? Take some time to research different challenger banks and compare their offerings. There's no one-size-fits-all answer, so find the bank that best suits your financial lifestyle. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy banking.